Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping into your backyard and finding a beautiful fence garden waiting for you. Lush climbing flowers in pink, purple, yellow, and blue cascade gracefully. Soft lighting glows along the fence line. The gentle sense of privacy invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be. Today we're exploring over 100 fence garden ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning private retreat. From modern slat designs to rustic charm, you'll discover how the right fence can become a living canvas for beauty and serenity. Let's begin this journey into your dream fence garden haven. Fence gardens are about transforming boundaries into opportunities. A fence isn't just a barrier. It's a vertical canvas waiting for your creativity. Climbing roses, clematis, and honeysuckle turn ordinary panels into living art. Materials set the tone. Warm cedar brings timeless rustic charm. Sleek black metal offers contemporary sophistication. Repurposed wood adds eco-friendly character. Each choice creates a different mood, a different feeling as you step into your space. Lighting transforms your fence garden after dark. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. String lights cast a canopy of stars. Post cap lights guide your steps safely. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the evening. Plantings bring your fence to life. Layered borders in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance. Vertical planters maximize space in compact yards. Drought-tolerant varieties thrive with minimal care. The right plants make your fence feel like a garden. The beauty of fence garden design is its adaptability. Cottage-style borders with climbing roses offer romantic charm. Modern slats with architectural plants create contemporary elegance. Budget-friendly solutions with repurposed planters bring creative luxury. Each style speaks to different dreams, different lifestyles. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own fence garden retreat. Do you see rustic wood adorned with cascading roses? Or sleek metal panels with minimalist architectural plantings? Would you choose the warmth of natural cedar? Or does your heart lean toward contemporary black metal? Do you crave the romance of vintage lanterns and climbing vines, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle. Do you have room for deep perennial borders, or do you need creative vertical solutions? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms, or do you prefer plants that thrive with minimal intervention? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you. Imagine stepping into your transformed backyard 1 year from now. The fence has settled beautifully. Climbing plants have filled in. Lights glow softly in the evening. How does it feel to have created this privacy and beauty? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your fence garden vision is waiting to become reality. If these fence garden ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat, regardless of space or budget. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that nurture your well-being and reflect your unique style. Your journey to creating the perfect fence garden starts with a single plant, a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor boundary. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas, and join our community of garden enthusiasts who believe in the transformative power of beautiful fence gardens. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of fence garden elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful spaces and notice which details speak to your heart.